Thank you all very much for subscribing to our channel. And I've got to continue right on now. And if you know somebody that wants to learn how to cook the easy way and take care of themselves and their families and eat vitamins and minerals and do it with food, use the food medicine method, the Carpizzo Kitchen Heal, Lead, Teach way. Okay, here we go into our recipe. Israeli couscous today I'm making. Israeli couscous. And this is couscous over here, Israeli couscous. It's a pearl couscous. See it? Okay, so there we have our pearl couscous. And over here I have our beautiful marinara sauce, the Carpizzo way. The marinara sauce from Carpizzo's Kitchens. I use it. It's a multi-purpose. And here I have our eggplant because we're making an Israeli couscous eggplant gratin. It's going to be baked in the oven. This is really delicious. So there we have it. We're going to put some Parmesan cheese. Here I have some cheese on the top and I've used basil. So you can use fresh basil leaves or you can use dried. Here I have some dried, which I put on things already, okay? So there we have it. Okay, so watch the shorts and watch the longs and longs and shorts and shorts and longs. Remember the shorts. I will put this together and then we'll pop it in the oven and have a delicious meal. So remember, this is Peter Carpizzo's. And instead of saying out today, I'm going to say thank you again to all our subscribers, our new subscribers, and thank you especially to all our future subscribers. Because we're here and we are making the world better through food and leading and teaching and cooking, eating, and enjoying. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. I'm so happy for you all.